Good morning, everyone. My name is Councilwoman Guardado, and we are out here in Maryville. We're doing our second episode of Phoenix Neighborhood News, and we are getting ready to clean up some alleys with the Super Moms. So welcome. We are here with Rosa from the Estrella Super Moms. So today, Rosa, tell us, who are the Estrella Super Moms?
We are Estrella Super Mom Block Watch is a group of ladies really active in the community, and we do cleanup. As you can see, we're doing this huge cleanup today in partnership with different departments.
Perfect. So how can someone get involved? If I lived in Maryville, how could I get involved?
You can find us on Facebook, Estrella Super Mom, and then there is all our information, and we have different. We're in partnership with different groups, and we can gather together and do this big cleanup.
And what's your motivation? Tell us a little bit what motivated you in 2013 to get this group started.
I can tell the difference between before and after. Better quality of life, our little ones, and be an example for our kids. And we bring them to do community service hours and explain that doing graffiti, doing this mess is not okay.
Thank you so much for coming back. And now we are here with Jeff from MRC. He is the Executive Director. Jeff, what is MRC?
So MRC actually stands for Maryville Revitalization Corporation. We're a nonprofit that's been doing work in Maryville for almost 30 years. One of our big missions is to bring awareness and opportunity to people that live in the village. So a big part of our mission is to help people both inside of Maryville and outside of Maryville have a better perception of what Maryville actually is. Most people outside of Maryville have a negative opinion of Maryville because of what they've heard and not from what they've experienced. And so our job is to say, hey, come experience Maryville like we have, and you'll come to love it like we do.
My first month in office was in June. So tell us, what were you guys doing in June when I first came into office?
So a big deal for us is that we have this ideology, or this initiative across all of Maryville, stands for HERO, helping everyone realize opportunity. And our mission together is to say to our village that all of us have this great opportunity to help everyone realize what is amazing around us that we can take advantage of to lift not only our own lives, but the lives of others around us. And so we were able to bring youth together, have these great youth opportunities across all of the village in June and July, and have our kids really experience what it means to be a true hero in our village.
Well, and if people want to get involved with MRC, if parents are watching this right now and they want their children to be involved with MRC, how do they do that?
Yeah, so amazing thing about Maryville is that we have this great resource now that helps all people really connect together, and you can find it at maryvillelife.com. maryvillelife.com is becoming the resource for all of Maryville, so you can find resources for services that you need, perhaps a restaurant you'd like to go to, an event that's happening that's part of your family experience, and also we have heroyoumaryville.com that you can go to for all of our youth to experience what's available to them here in the village.
Well, there you go. You've heard it from him, the man himself, Jeff. And don't forget, follow us on Facebook, and we will see you next month.